Assalamu alaikum, it's your Nomad Consulting here, and in today's video I'm sharing with you an experience I had, which is a camel farm where I went to go buy some camel milk. It's about 30-40 minutes outside of Hargeisa. When we turned up, we noticed a few other people were already in the place. I got to see another hybrid in Hargeisa, that's right. Anyway, back to the camel farm. So very nice, large, spacious farm. They've kind of really catered for the camels. They have solar power, as you can see. So I just turned up when they were just finished drinking water. Okay, now they got rid of most of the camels. They left one on the left, and I'm going to show you another huge camel on the right later on. So now that there was less camels, I was able to walk around a camel farm, and I noticed a funny looking bird that's just chilling like a villain here in this farm. Assalamu alaikum. It's your Nomad Consultant here, surrounded by the logo what represents the Nomad Private Solution, as you can see. Now, this is a bit uncomfortable for me because I've never been this close. That one looks a bit dodgy on me, so I'm gonna not go too close. Look at the size on this bad boy. Wow, mashallah. Mashallah. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Alright, we got another one here in the background. So this is about 20-30 minutes from Hargeisa. And came here for some fresh cow milk because then it's been up nearly 3 months. Let's see if you guys can hear me better now. Woo, you need to be able to have a strong nose for the camel dung. Alright, I hope you guys are enjoying this little small mini vlog. I think I'm going to put the mask on because the smell is too strong. Alright guys, peace and love, take care. Okay, as you can see here, they're pouring the milk in the bottles we brought. This time I only brought 2 bottles, but next time I'm going to bring more. Look at the froth of this milk. Honestly, it looks really nice. So, for you guys to enjoy, I've now shared some photos of your Nomad Consultant here trying out some milk. As you can see, I was a bit nervous in the beginning because I like my milk cold. But hey, I got to try it out straight. Original Somaliland culture right there. Alright, and of course, you know, I can't finish off these photos without having to have a nice milk mustache. So enjoy guys.
كالقعيل الليل قمسوره نفتيدان سمير داردا